How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos and enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, those of you who follow the channel know I'm building a bike, and it's been some time, and we've had some setbacks, financially and with health and things like that, but now we're back on track. And after saving and saving and saving, I finally got the parts that I've been wanting to get for the bike. So today I figured I'd show you what I got. So we'll get right to it. Okay, here's what we got. This is what I've been saving for. And anybody who knows anything about this stuff knows this is really expensive. Now, this is an S&S 100 kit. And this is what we're going to be putting in the project bike. Now, these are the cylinders, and these cylinders, unlike the Harley cylinders, these aprons are not as heavy. So when you take them out of the box, you have to set them face down, these facing up. And if you look in there, you can see they have not been honed yet, so I have to hone those out. Here's the cams. These are 585 cams. These are the pistons. We've got the lifters, cam plate, oil pump, drive gear, pinion gear, our push rods, our push rod tubes. All our bearings are in here for the cam plate and for the inner cam bearings. We got our head gaskets and seals for the bottom of the barrels when we put that all together. And the one thing I did want to show you, we're going. This is going to be 100. This is going from an 88 to 100. So what I did was, this is the 88 piston, and this is the 100 piston. Now, these barrels have a 4-inch bore, so you can see the difference in the pistons, and everything about the pistons is different. You can see the intake is far more pronounced, and the exhaust is far more pronounced than the stock piston. So this is what I've been working towards. So we got all the parts, and we're going to start putting this thing together. And I'm pretty excited about the whole thing. All these new parts makes me happy. I like new parts. So I'm going to start putting the engine together, and we're going to video the whole thing, this whole bike going together. It's just going to take some time. So hope this helps somebody out. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, everybody be safe out there.